Given the following information, let's solve the triangle. Solving the triangle means to find all the angles and all the sides. Do we have enough information? What are we given? We're given an angle, and a side. So when you think of AAS, I'm thinking of the sine law. It's nice to memorize that AAS, angle, side, means use the sine law. So does ASA, angle, side, angle, as well as ASS, or you could think of this as SSA if you have good manners. The cosine law we use when we have SSS or SAS. So clearly this one here is going to be an AAS problem. We're going to use the sine law. Now what is the sine law? The sine law simply states that sine A, the angle, sine of an angle, over the side, the corresponding side which is opposite the angle, is equals to sine B over B, which is equals to sine C over C. Now you're allowed to take the reciprocal of each one of these. You can say A over sine A equals B over sine B, which is equals to C over sine C. If you're solving for this side here, I'm just going to label these A, B, C. If we're trying to solve for B, if the question was just asking to solve B, I want this in the numerator. It just makes the algebra that much simpler. So I'm going to use this formula here. Now we also know your A value, your A is 92. That's opposite the actual capital A, which is your angle. So we know this as well. So these are the equations I want to use because the algebra is going to work out nicely. So let's solve B. Let's just solve one of these. Solve B. This is a side, this is a length. So I'm going to say B over sine of B, which is sine 53, is equals to A, 92 meters, over the sine of A, which is sine 71 degrees. And if you want to solve for B, you can just multiply both sides by sine 53. So we get B is equals to 92 sine 53 meters all over sine of 71. Let's use our calculators to solve this. We have 92 sine 53, and make sure you're in the correct mode. I see that I'm in radian mode here, so I'm just going to switch back to degrees. And we have B is equals to 92 sine 53 degrees over sine 71 is equals to, I get 77.7 degrees. Great.